Yep, there's the Cardinals. They've all come back. Hello. That's all the males. And the mockingbird, oh, there's another male. And the mockingbird, oh, she said she wanted to see some of that too. She's so, well, I don't know if that's the male or the female, but oh yeah, that's the female. See the eggs poking out? She is so full of eggs. Look at that little sweetie. She doesn't mind those Cardinals be around her either. Check that out. She's so cute. Here she's hungry. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot of seed in there, but the Cardinals and the mockingbirds. And they're real quiet at night too. They don't like to make a lot of noise. I'm sorry it's moving around all over the place, but oh, that was a female cardinal showed up. And the males won't let them eat. The males make sure they get their food first. There's some activity going on over here. No, yeah. She's hiding behind the, well, I can't catch all the action. Wow. There's the mockingbird back. If that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. Now the female bird gets to eat with the boys. Must be her husband there. Nope, he chased her off. Oh, they're being so mean to each other. The Cardinals are really, they're hissing. Did you hear all that hissing? Goodness, what are you hissing about? Can you hear the hissing? I bet you didn't know birds could hiss, but Cardinals do. Look at that. Well, it's just the same thing over and over again, isn't it? But see all the birds, there's 1, 2, 3, they're all up in that tree. Yeah, there's no bird song because it's at night and they like to be really quiet. I guess they're worried about predators. Well, it's getting almost too dark to see them now. All you can really see is their shadow, like their silhouettes. And that's not very pretty, is it? Oh, there's a female gets to eat. Hey, pretty girl. Look at her. Oh, look how pretty her eyes are. Let's see if I can home in on her. No, that's as close as it'll let me get. But look at her. Isn't she pretty? Well, we know who's the boss. Oh, well. It's too dark to see him too much longer. So I'm going to call this a wrap. I love you. Remember, keep the commandments and be the bride. And in all things, give praise and esteem to Yahusha. Hallelujah.